Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. On this episode, we are making chicken piccata. To begin, we are slicing in half 3 chicken breasts. With a sharp knife, go ahead and slice the chicken breast into 2 pieces. Feel free to remove any excess fat that they may have. After slicing them in half, you may transfer them onto a plate. Now season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. We are seasoning half a cup of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Then dredge the chicken in the seasoned flour and transfer onto another plate. Now, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. When the skillet is smoking hot, add in the chicken, and do this in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. We are browning the chicken for a couple of minutes on each side. We don't want to cook the chicken all the way through. We are going to finish cooking this chicken later on in the sauce. Once the chicken has developed some color on both sides, transfer onto a plate. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add in 1 tablespoon of capers, followed by half a cup of white wine. Let the wine simmer and reduce to about half. Then squeeze the juice of 1 full lemon. And pour in 1 cup of chicken stock, followed by 3 tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter cut into chunks. We are going to keep it moving until the butter has melted. Now, bring the chicken back into the skillet and we're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes and let the chicken finish cooking. And after 10 minutes, the chicken has cooked all the way through and the sauce has thickened up with the flour we coated the chicken with. And to finish it off, garnish with fresh Italian parsley. Now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, chicken piccata. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.